Wind gusts in southern Alberta could overturn high-sided vehicles and cause flying debris. David Opinko for Lethbridge News Now. Environment Canada's issued wind warnings for parts of the region on Monday, January 12th. In Fort Macleod, McGrath, and all areas to the west, they can brace for wind gusts up to 120 kilometers an hour. And in the region that includes Lethbridge, Coaldale, Taber, and Milk River, we can expect winds between 100 and 110. The weather forecaster says wind speeds should die down by Monday evening. Learn more at lethbridgenewsnow.com.